Hello, everybody. Yes, I know, same shirt. It's because I have like 2 or 3 of these shirts and they're very comfy. But today we are at Observatory Hill. So what are we doing today? We're gonna have some really nice ramen, or hopefully really nice ramen.
Ramen at Newtown.
Newtown.
I feel like ramen's our thing whenever we go out.
It is.
We try different ramen places in Sydney.
If we still had Ruler Ramen as the name, it would be ramen. Wait.
What?
Ruler ramen. Ramen.
Ramen with ruler ramen. Yes, we'll insert clip of the amazing and magnificent sunrise. But first, we gotta do Devo. Bye! We're at the Sydney Observatory and we just watched an amazing sunrise. And we'll insert the footage right here.
Fun fact.
We just found
Sydney's
oldest hotel. See?
I don't even know if this is Sydney's oldest hotel.
Yeah. I didn't know your dad's a lord. Lord Nelson.
That would make me a what?
Owner of hotels. Lord Nelson.
What would that make me?
You're
I'm just the Lord's son.
We're at the Rocks.
That was very nice here. The rocks. See, look, it's all made of rock. So, Jan is now taking it back over the vlog.
Should have been good for the ramen. Hey everyone.
Hey everyone.
Hi everybody. We're looking for the place where I can drop off my rolls of film that I'm gonna get developed and printed. But it's this one. It's this one. And look, it's my uni. We still have a few minutes.
How much minutes?
We have 15.
I got one with extra egg.
And we're now gonna dig in. So we're
Okay, so do you guys know the game where you find the guy in the striped beanie? Is it Where's Wally or Where's Waldo?
Where's Waldo?
For me, it's Where's Wally.
So we technically both win.
It's both. Wait, I don't understand.
It says where's Wally, but the book says where's Waldo. Guys, guilty. Extra noodles.
There's soup in it.
There's
Your book.
soup in it. Okay, bye. Update.
Yummy. I think some was really nice. Legit, like. Though, if you don't like your eggs more like runny, like the eggs are like, they're really soft, like very, very runny and soft. But they're really, it's like Jello.
Like it's very liquidy.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the one thing. But other than that, it was really good. And the pork, like, it melts in your mouth.
And the pork is thick.
I should have got more pork than egg.
It's so yummy, but now I'm so sleepy.
So you can sleep in the car.
Yeah. I'm gonna get dessert. Cause yeah. And dessert's on me.
What?
Dessert's on me.
You sure?
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Gotta go. Gotta go. First time.
Yep.
Red light put on your hand. Okay, so we're supposed to go in.
Close windows and sunroof, fully lower all aerials and tuck inside mirrors. Preferences forward.
It's closed.
Wow!
You should see Reese's reaction.
No.
This does the bottom of the car and stuff as well. Just come on, Reese's reaction, please. Carl is definitely willing to wait when he's going to Adelaide.
Huh? It absorbs the juice. Anna's here with us. Long time no see. And Carl. Big man Carl.
Hurley.
What?
I'm Hurley.
Oh, is this getting posted? Is this
Yeah.
going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Hi.
You know, Carl's always late. Remember
Yeah, every
the last time we
every
met
time
up?
I come back, I'm already done with my food.
Excuse me.
I don't wait
It's the
for
second
him.
time.
Second out of the second one.
Yeah.
And we love meat burgers, as you can
It's my
tell.
first time.
Same.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Let me.
Wait.
It's the
Wake
Illuminati.
up!
Ow!
Wake up!
It's the Illuminati.
We have two gangsters at the back. Show yourself.
Show yourself. Oh wait, now it's copyrighted. Mute.
Is that a picture?
No, it's a video.
Is this a picture?
Hi.
Hi.
This is Carl and Anna.
Anna.
Anna Banana. Me too.
Go.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. Yeah, this is the same vlog as the other one.
I'm eating.
Hi. Hi vlog. See. You better sell that chicken.
Okay. Yeah, sell that chicken.
Really? Oh yeah, it
Hey, veggie haze.
What's your motto in life? My motto in life is you just gotta find the best fried chicken in the whole world. And I'm just eating it right now. I made it. What about you? What's your motto in life?
My motto in life is to try and try until you die.
What's your motto in life? Opa life. Ate MJ, what's your motto in life?
Motto in life is ang batang masipag.
Laki.
Pag laki pagod. Pagod, tapos i-focus mo sa kanya.
Ang batang masipag. Laki pagod. What's your motto in life?
Oh, cheesy.
Is as normal, missing someone.